The Weasley twins shop, Weasley's Wizard Wheezes, is basically a real-life magic pocket. Every invention makes you wish you had one. Students would go crazy for the self-inking quill. It's got built-in spell check, fixes your writing mistakes automatically, perfect for exams and homework, no more stressing over typos. And for anyone who cares about their skin, there's a product that clears up blemishes in 10 seconds flat. Acne, blackheads, you name it, gone. Want to skip class? The twins have you covered with skiving snack boxes. Nosebleeds, fainting, fevers, you pick your excuse. Though honestly, making yourself sick to skip class might not be worth it. When the Second Wizarding War came around, the twins put their genius to good use. They developed shield hats and other defensive gear, stuff that could block most dark magic. So practical that the Ministry of Magic ordered 500 sets on the spot. Of course, pranks are their specialty. Remember when Dudley ate that Tun-Tung toffee? His tongue swelled up several feet long. Hilarious just thinking about it. But their inventions weren't all just for laughs. When the trio broke into the Ministry, it was the twins' decoy detonators that saved the day. Those little gadgets that run off, multiply, and release dark smoke. The perfect distraction.